Guys, so in this video we are going to see that how can you make a make a recurring meeting on using Zoom application. So as you can see over here, I have already made a meeting like which is recurring. So what I need to do, हाँ छोटे बच्चे, I love you. So now we can start meeting, but just by clicking this, like it's recurring, so you can start it every time. So it's so as you know that in this COVID situation we are doing this online meeting. So now how to make this recurring meeting. So for that you need to click on this schedule meeting, the new one, and then in a topic you can write the name of the topic which you are doing for this meeting. So I am writing my course number, then section which is 23, and discussion, and you can give the start time when it is going to start. But as it is recurring meeting, just click on that. So it is recurring meeting, then a meeting ID generate automatically, and then you can remove this password so that you don't need to give the password to that to any employees or to any um, the person who are going to attend the meeting. And then in audio you can click telephone and computer audio. In calendar you can choose any calendar which you
Papa?
Hmm,
No, any person, not me?
yeah, you also.
Okay, thank you.
And then on advanced option you can select this any option from this five as per your convenience. So as you can see, I clicked on enable waiting room, enable join before host. I haven't checked this mute participants because I want that they also can talk. I uncheck this and the last two also, and then I can record this meeting also. So just click on check this box and click on schedule. So it will schedule your meeting, and let's see what will happen after that. So so I choose my account, click on allow, and it has been added to my So now as you can see, the meeting has been uh, formed over here. I stop that, and now this is the one which I already formed. It has meeting ID different than the previous one. And then now if you want to share this link, you can click on this copy invitation. The invitation has been copied. You can go to any you can send an email and you can just paste that. So you can, as you can see, the whole thing has been pasted. Like you can see that Ravindra, like my name is inviting the Zoom meeting topic, and it is recurring meeting. Okay, and then you have a mobile for some concern you can, and then you have this, and you have meeting ID. So in this way, and this is the link. If you click on this link, let's say, it will prompt me to open the Zoom, and it will start to join the meeting. So in this way you can schedule any recurring meeting using Zoom application. Thank you.